Yes, my wonderful people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And tonight, my people, you just look on the screen for me then. Look on the screen for me then, my people. I want to tell me if you know that photo there on the screen. Well, me I go break down something. Me not go through the whole story about what going on with that photo, yeah. But we are going to show you why. Sometimes when you take up on yourself and accept some people that you know home in a foreign, you can really put your life at risk. It can be somebody you know very well, but that very same person may be the one to come in your life or in your family life. Me did already drop a story already also too, where a woman taking him family member, and you know when family member do? If family member get rid of the whole of them and try burn down the house in a foreign. And when them turn around and say, him have mental problem. You understand? Police will end up shoot him and get rid of him anyway still. But we not stray from that because too much story. This boy, John Griffiths, do a thing about 3 years ago. And now it's a very horrific crime that you keep up. For some people who take him into them house with open arms. People who know him from back home and accept him in them house with open arms. You know what happened? If you don't know the story, you don't know what happened. Them same people there. The man pick up some whole heap of gunshot. Him girlfriend is no longer among the land of the living. In little baby was about 1 year old mash is no longer among the land of the living because of this same boy. This same boy with them take up and carry go in them house. And they know him. Because the youth when him shoot up on him a good friend. And you know where this happened? This happened in Florida. But tell you what, 3 years after, police hold on upon him in a Jersey. You hear me I tell you no people, it happened in Florida, you know. And all of this was over the media. Everywhere over the media. But yet still, them hold him in a Jersey where people are provide shelter for him. We are give shelter to a man like this. We commit such a horrific crime. So you see when me I try show you. Sometimes it don't matter who you is, you could have been the devil from hell. You have some people same way. We're willing to take you in because them are devil themselves too. How could you in a foreign and know say a youth? When own friend them take a them yard in a Florida. Him dirt the youth baby mother. And make the youth little baby girl stay there and pass away. And shoot up the same youth him friend. And you have the heart now if you go take him in your home in a Jersey. Tell me if people write it up here so. You no tell me that now. This is why me I tell you no say. You no care sorry if any old maga dog when he come on to foreign. You no can just invite any old somebody who no see all 10 year, 15 year. But because you see them in America, oh run come stay with me man. You no know who them. You don't know how much people them get rid of Jamaica before them reach a foreign. You don't know what kind of heart them have. You don't know if them bad mind. You don't know if them corrupt. You don't know if them are going to come get rid of you. You don't know that. You don't jump and take up any old crumble on in your house. Any old garbage. Come like a whole house now come tumble down upon yourself. Make some of them turn then where they want to make them go on. If they want to sleep in the snow, make them galang. Make them galang a shelter. Make them go stay with somebody else. At least you will spare your own life. You will spare your own life, man. Let me tell you something. Sometimes when you say, you know help a person, you know, because they mean this and that. Sometimes when you see a man for you long, you don't know nothing about them. You don't run them profile. You don't know them long time, you know. You don't probably even know them from your own community. When they were younger. So you know a man now where say, alright. Me didn't know him when he was 12-year-old now. Know him at 20. You there foreign for him at 12-year-old. And know him at 20. And him reach a foreign, you don't know what kind of old gorilla this. First thing you do, you take him care of your yard with your family them. You just put your family life at risk. And sometimes I always who you trust can't get rid of you. You just put your family life at risk. Look pan the boy, look pan him. I grow him, say him grew up here, you know. I try to disguise the police them, you know. But people still know him. He could have grown locks long like any Bob Marley, or Ziggy Marley, or any one of them Pitney them, or any Bujo Bantan. People still recognize him. People still have to recognize him. But you see the devil will make anybody carry out their work. You know? But you see when God work, karma always reach them back. For them time always come. You always get share back your fair share a portion. You always get back for you. Oh, you expect for in America? Shoot up your friend. Kill him baby mother. Kill him little daughter. And expect to walk free in America and just live life good so. And escape everything. And you're still there in America. You take your 3 years for them hold on for you, but them still hold on for you. And don't be surprised them give you all the electric chair. Don't be surprised. People want to learn this, man. I know anybody who no sorry for. I know anybody who no care about no good family them. You hear me I say, if you no can give them a strength, make them go somewhere else, make them go on. When it come on to no family, you no have to protect no family around stranger. You little boy, he could have come there to and rape off all the girl, you know. He could have come there to and rape off all the little girl baby. Sometimes we don't know them, we don't allow them. If I know somebody we know them communicate all the time, and we know them have a good relationship like that, and we know them to a certain extent, don't go jump up and take up nobody who knows for a long time and know for a long time and know what go on in them life and bring them out of the place. I corrupt the youth, I get corrupt against the other youth. Bad mind and money. And through the baby mother not like what go on and want if he left a place where him do. Look what him do now, man. And lucky all the youth lucky. Say him never pass away, but him baby mother gone. And him little youth gone. And this me I try show you. So you see if you don't want to play a good Samaritan, and bring in the devil in our house and bring in a problem in our house and stress, that good for you know. But we no learn, we no lesson. Remember say a J progress always come do no cautionary tales, you know. But me just couldn't pass that story tonight. Because it could have happened to anybody. You could have know somebody from your village or somebody you know a long time and him say him in a foreign and nothing now go on if him can't come stay with you. Because him a run off and him no want to go back and you say, yes man, me have a spare room the man, come in man, come stay with me. Poor you no know. Poor you no have a clue who you just left in your house, the devil himself. So tell me now, who could have really been in New Jersey right now and put up all a boy like this? After everything we got through on the media. After everything we got through on the media what this a boy a do. What kind of person could have really put up a boy like this? No tell me say what you do, your name know? Your name know say some boy just kill two somebody in Florida and run away from Florida. You can't tell me say your name know that man. You're just as bad as them little satanic boy. Me say I hope say him get the electric chair. For the act when commit. People no hear me good here, man. You see? Whether or not they Jamaica, whether or not they foreign. You see when they come on to no home, no dwelling place, a place where you have no family, don't take any old nigga care no place. You may live for regret it that if you no live. It may be the last time you invite somebody in our home. Remember when me tell you that. So me hope say no for you get the cautionary tales and learn it. Can come like a warning mission me the pan for the other night. See me want know about foreign there. Yesterday, see me come tell you know about who no let in our lively space. In our comfort zone. And let on no family, and let on no kids them. Wise up and be careful, my people. Wise up and be careful. You see that youth up on the screen? Use the youth up on the screen as an example. Use the same boy as an example when me talk to you. Believe me. 1J Progress Entertainment, my people. And remember good no man. You don't have to ask nobody nothing about me, no. And nobody now have to tell you nothing about me. Because you already know me go to work already. 1J Progress Entertainment, my people. My people have some story for you, you see. Me just make them go and cool down. Through me busy at work, so. And me can't really do the live and them thing there. And me I give the story them time to bubble up the right way. But people, I have some story for you, so stay tuned. And thanks again to everybody. I have hit 22K and that's a blessing. Big up all of my subscribers them. Big up all of my viewers them. Big up everybody who say J Progress. And don't forget, like, subscribe and share to everybody, my people. And remember, don't forget to no badge them and be a part of the Team Progress movement. 1J Progress, no other.